What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton. This is Jackson. So today's recipe is my wife's awesome, delicious baked chicken wing. Chinese baked chicken wing with oyster sauce. See right here? This is gorgeous, isn't it? Super sticky, very delicious with rice. This is an awesome dish. I always ask for it when she decides to cook. So let me show you how we did it, okay? Let's roll. So guys, with this recipe, I love a lot of garlic. Man, I should have named my channel The Garlic Lover. So here we have 2 cups of garlic chopped up. And then you want to add 1 cup of sugar and a half teaspoon of black pepper. You can add as much sugar as you want, add to taste. Then add 1 cup of soy sauce, and I use Lee Kum Kee oyster sauce. I love this sauce. I'm gonna add 1 cup of oyster sauce, and if you don't use the rest, make sure you refrigerate it. Here we have 1 cup of water, warm water, okay, to dissolve all the sugar. We're gonna mix it up really well. Mix it up, mix, stir. Then after mixing, make sure you taste test. If you like more sugar, add sugar or soy sauce or Lee Kum Kee. Then you put it on the side. Then in a large bowl, you put 15 to 20 chicken wings. I forgot how to count, so bear with me. And then you pour into the sauce. Yes, get it all mixed up really well. Put your hands in there. After mixing it up, you want to cover it up with foil or saran wrap and then marinate it at least 5 to 6 hours, or you could do it overnight. And when you're ready to bake, I use foil for less cleaning. And then you pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for at least 45 minutes. After 45 minutes is up, you take it out, and then you want to flip it because you want to cook the chicken wing evenly. And then with the extra sauce, you want to spread the sauce evenly on the chicken. And then after you spread in the sauce, you want to put it on broil for 20 minutes at 525 degrees. Make sure you keep an eye on it so you won't get burnt, or you'll have a very crispy chicken wing.